Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox problem receiving data error. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause data issues. Next, try restarting the Roblox application and your computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, visit the official Roblox status page to confirm there are no widespread server problems affecting many users. These initial checks are crucial first steps. Moving on, let's tackle network and cache-related problems. Start by clearing your Roblox cache and any temporary internet files. This can remove corrupted data. If you use a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily, as these can interfere with data transmission. Also, double-check that your firewall or antivirus software isn't mistakenly blocking Roblox from connecting to its servers. Adjusting these settings can often resolve the issue. If the problem persists, a fresh start might be necessary. Completely uninstall the Roblox player from your system, then download and reinstall it. This ensures you have a clean, uncorrupted installation. Additionally, make sure your network drivers are updated to their newest versions, as outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Finally, confirm your operating system has all the latest updates installed for optimal performance and compatibility. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider trying to connect to Roblox using a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, to rule out your home network as the cause. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue, including any error codes, and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance. Also, checking community forums can reveal if others are experiencing similar problems and have found solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.